If we hold above the 47, this is going to be important in the medium term, okay? Because going below would open the door to 50, which of course has large implications to the downside or to long positions. Now, with that in mind, this particular scenario, and if we do get a pullback, it's very reminiscent of a potential cup and handle pattern in the long term. Okay, now cup and handles, there are much more valid and much more better equipped for long-term upside, in this case because it's a bullish version, when they pull back only a little bit. And typically we're looking at 10%, even less, 10% sometimes. Okay, so if we just said that might be the case, okay, let's just say we do the 0.1 here, just to have that in mind. Where does it fall? Okay, so this comes down at 47.50. But look at this, that's exactly the 1618. So we do have a cluster, guys. So if we do fall some 10%, okay, from that on the leg down, right? Then this would bring us down to 47.50. Okay, and to be fair, it's like this is a huge long-term level, and likely resistance here is likely to form even for a week or two or a few more even. This is the base case, there is scenario where we break through straight away. That's the one scenario, the bullish case. And there is the bearish case where we do break lower than we are expecting. I expect short-term pullback over here, and I expect it to continue higher. However, there is a slight of an issue if we were to see a cup and handle pattern. We actually don't want to see a cup and handle pattern, because if we did see a cup and handle pattern, then that would mean that this would take probably a few years to complete, if that makes sense. So that would be really not ideal, given the cup, it's like 14 years old. The handle would have to be a couple of years in terms of duration. Okay, so we do have that currently, but we don't